down is a lot more scarier than I imagined. Well, those two are playing. Other side. Ooh, wow. Yep, we're surrounded by cows. It's okay, Jett. Yeah, there used to be a watering hole here, and I guess they remember. But it's pretty bare right now. What's the matter, baby? No, Jett, sit.
Stay.
What's wrong, baby? Sit, Jett. That's a bull. No, sit. No, sit. 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 Let's go inside. Go inside. Nope, go. Go inside. Why is he making so much noise?
Maybe he's telling all the other ones to go with him. I think that's a bull too. Yeah, so we're on our morning walk. And our friends have all left. They left a couple days ago. And now we're just getting some exercise.
Playing with Jett.
Playing with Jett. Jett's getting some exercise. And then I have to get some work done.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself
Yep. Oh, you got a needle. Got a pine needle. Come on. See, as he gets tired and wants to go back, he starts just sitting down or laying down and looking at us and crying. And if we're on the bikes, he just cries more and more as we go further away from home until we turn around.
Oh, we can go start heading back, and maybe if we can go down a different way.
Look, one of our neighbors. Alright, we're at the end of our walk. As you can see, all of our friends are gone. And then we're going to head back east, spend, well, at least Thanksgiving with my mom. And all of my tools and everything are there in her exposed basement, so I can do more in-depth work on the tracker. And also, it's got our tow bar, so we can sell the dolly and just flat tow it. Jett, what'd you say? What'd you say, Jett? Say it again. Say it again. Oh, he looked at your ball. He wants you to throw his ball.
What?
Jett. Not being very expressive right now. All right. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Say hi, Jen.
Hi, welcome to our channel, Dreamweaver RV. We're about to go and do some errands. We've got some problems with the tracker. You want to tell them about it?
We went to Phoenix and dropped off our Corolla to sell it, and while we were there, the tracker started running really badly. I actually forgot that I was driving a stick shift after a few hours of driving down there. So whenever I got off the freeway, I left it in 5th gear and tried to come to a stop, and then the car didn't like that. It started bucking and kicking like crazy. So then I pushed in the clutch, and then I was really frazzled. I was like, how could I be so stupid and forget that I was driving a stick shift? So then I went from 1st to 2nd, and then revved it, and then went back into 1st again. I think I may have over revved it, I'm not really sure. But anyway, now it's running badly. So if you look at the sticks down here, they're vibrating around like mad. And it doesn't sound like terrible, but it's just, it hesitates, and it's just not running very good. Anyway, so the main reason we're going to town is to get car parts and some tools that I don't have here, because the more major tools like compression testers and stuff, I didn't think I needed that on the road whenever we had a new Corolla. So I left those at home in the basement. So I've got to go buy some stuff again, and then we have to do laundry, get propane, get some stuff from Walmart.
And we're hoping that doing all that stuff, this doesn't break down. Yeah,
and we're also hoping that the engine doesn't explode or otherwise destroy itself while we're driving. So, yeah, I guess wish us luck. You'll find out in the next clip whether or not it all went bad. Okay, so we made it to the laundromat. We went by Walmart too to see if Walmart had the tools that I need, which I figured at least they'd have a timing light, but apparently people don't know what those are anymore or don't need them. So they didn't have a timing light. They definitely didn't have a compression tester, but we got some things that we don't need to refrigerate. We're going to do laundry, and yeah, that's it.
Drop top, non-stop, making our way to the nearest city. Race off the tracks, cruising the coast of the West Pacific. Just go away, leaving this town for the interstate, with nothing but you by my side. I cannot wait to break all my rules. Oh, we'll keep it going on into the night. We're chasing clouds until we find our light, and we won't ever let it go. We're holding on to our souls. I'll keep on loving you for life. I'll keep on loving you for life. I'll keep on loving you for life. misbehaving. Your touch like fire, burn my skin, but I like the feeling. Hard to resist, wanna spend all my life like this, with nothing but you by my side. I cannot wait to break all my rules. Oh, we'll keep it going on into the night. We're chasing clouds until we find our light, and we won't ever let it go. We're holding on to our souls. I'll keep on loving you for life, life, life. I'll keep on loving you for life, life, life.
Okay, so our errands are done, and now we're gonna go ahead and head back. We just got done with Walmart.
And we're done with all our chores, and Jason has all his parts to hopefully fix
All the parts that I anticipate, I guess we'll see. But yeah, I do have all the parts that I think I need. He's in the middle of the living room with his ball.
You have a ball? Is that your ball? Do you want to go play? Do you want to go play with the ball? Yeah? Did you miss us? Did you miss us? Did you miss us, baby? Come on. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Down, down. Come on.
You and I, we could fly so high we'll never die. I promise you won't leave my side. You and I, we can hide. Let's just leave it all behind. Promise you won't leave my side. You and I.
Bring it here. Bring it closer. Okay, close enough. Close enough, Jett.